Alright. Been a little while. So I'm just working on a blog for my portfolio website / personal website. I tend to share a lot of stuff on LinkedIn, but I figure I should, if I want to do really long form content, I should really just do it in blog form. So this is my example, just based off of some previous things that I have worked on. It's a really simple blog. Just gonna have like a highlighted post with just regular posts underneath, paginated, next and previous page, and just a basic footer. And then for the content, nothing crazy, just back button at the top, title, subtitle / tagline / preview text, whatever. And then I think I will componentize images and text. So I'll have rich text with a title and a paragraph. So title will be its own thing, and then a rich text area, and then the image will be its own thing, and then there's back to blog and next post, and next post will just go. I'll grab the list of posts and take the next one. And the mobile is obviously just really simple. It's just white background with a black text. That's pretty easy. And then no next and previous words. So that's about it for the design. Again, nothing really insane. Start up the dev. So this is Nuxt 2. So not gonna be super efficient when creating, but I know more about Nuxt 2 than 3, so fine by me. Open this up. Then I will put a window capture for Chrome. I do Chrome? No, I'll do Firefox. Oh, I thought my keyboard stopped working, but it did not. Let's delete this CMU window capture. Set this to one of the options that isn't on here apparently. Sources. Window capture. Firefox. Shrink you down. Okay, now how's that gonna look here? It's fine. I'm never gonna stretch out that far, honestly. Okay, so close everything here. And let's get a new page. So this is blog. Formatted default template. And let's make sure that it works. So if I go /blog, there it is. Okay. So I actually want to use a different template for this. I want it to, because I have a different layout, I guess. Sorry. I've customized my footer a little bit by comparison. This up the so like the desktop Homepage obviously has the contact and resume buttons. I still wanted this section along with the bottom part, but I want to keep these buttons. So instead, what I'm just going to do is use a different layout and have it like this, where it's in the bottom. This is in the bottom right instead of centered. And then, yeah. Header stays the same though. So, setting another layout. Default custom. So, blog layout. And I'll just copy this. And then blog footer component. Blog footer component. Let's take all of this, paste it here. And then I do care about the view height. So if I go here, nothing will change, which is fine. But then I want to set the and I just named the layout. Okay. SMB layout. Blog layout. Then okay, nothing should change, but if let's say add here, let's say blog layout. Just make sure that it works. Okay. So from here, there's a couple things I want to change. Take this off. Okay. I want to remove the contact and resume buttons. Okay. This is already centered, so now I want to move this to the right. So I will just add footer content to blog. Was I using Sass for this? Indeed I was. So watch assets Sass assets CSS style compress. Okay. So if I go into footer, now this is what's this? It's footer content, and I assume that's what's centering it. Yep. So it'll be just as easy as applying text align right. And do I want to move it over at all? A little bit. So it would be something like that. Yep. Really easy. So footer content blog text align right. Now before I save that, I want to refresh. Okay, and then margin right 20 pixels. Fantastic. Very simple, very easy. And then this stuff stays. Great. Okay. First change down. Oh, if this can be seen. Okay. Easy. So next, I don't need to touch this anymore. Though I'm not sure why the nav isn't showing up. Unless it is, it's just being hidden. Why is it hidden? There's something like wrapper. British blog. Interesting. Don't know why you're not updating. I'm gonna crash this and save it. Okay, date update, but nothing happened. Oh, because it's position fixed. Right. So I don't want the smooth scrolling on this page. But I thought I added it per page. It's on the mounted here. So then the question is, pretty sure it was on the, yeah, it's smooth scroll parallax. So then I guess the question is this messing with, the content here? Here. Let's start here. Oops. Let's just do like this. We'll just like copy a ton of these down. Okay, it's definitely not scrolling. So then if I cut this, it will scroll. Okay. So and Nuxt is getting put on the whole wrapper. Okay. But is it getting put? Yeah, it's around the entire thing. Wrapper blog. Will this go where Nuxt goes? Okay. Let's think about this. I really don't want the smooth scroll on this page. It's the exact same. Okay. Uh, yeah, the problem is I committed everything to the Nuxt ID, which generates after the fact. Next to add class to let's go Nuxt ID. Use the document option and add a container with a custom class. Is there a default I don't know. And messing with the dist isn't gonna matter because this is all it's just a compiled version. So that doesn't matter. Okay, well, I guess I can just do I can do this. So I can do something simple like document select next class list add blog layout. So this should now add a blog layout, then layout width 100%, height auto, position relative, or position initial, and that didn't change anything. It's being overridden by okay. Now the bar isn't updating, so there's that. Now, how did I put this on each page? Is that what I did? No. Is it in smooth scroll? Okay, no. Mixins. Body scroll bar top get bending clan. Yeah. No. No, this just resets it back to top. This is, yeah, okay. Great. And what's commented at? Nothing useful. Okay. Wow, I really tied everything together, huh? I mean, honestly, it's probably better to have navdark active all the time, either all the time or not at all on the blog page. And I might actually just do this. I might do nav component class nav log. I might just relative this. I think that's probably the best approach. Oops. Nav log position relative. All right, that did literally nothing. I didn't. It did, but it's still fixed. Is it because nav wrappers fixed this one? Yeah. Okay. And dot nav and dot nav wrapper. That didn't do anything. There we go. Okay. I think this is the best approach, honestly. Just to freeze it here. And then prevent scrolling when this is pulled up. Maybe it's not. Okay. You know what? Actually, I'm not going to freeze it in place. Instead, what I'll do is I'll just have it chunking all the time. So it's, where is it? Some mixin. Let's go. Navdark. It's just Navdark? Okay. And it's on nav. This be accurate? Yeah, okay. So I'll just leave it like this. That's fine. Okay. So, good enough. And now this is broken for some reason. Okay. That's not good. Is this gonna be the case for... Is this just like this? I don't remember if this was like a bug for... No, it's definitely not a bug. For every page. Maybe I do just run the smooth scroll. Yeah, I think it's probably best to just do the smooth scroll. Actually, I need that open. Do that makes sense. I think it's like this. So if I go back, and it's broken. Okay, where did I mess up? It's not smooth scroll. Or smooth scroll. Maybe I just need content again. My top bar is back. So that's nice. There. Now, what happens if I do this and then I go back? Go forward. Okay. So maybe this is the right play. It's to mix it up. So now if I click this, I go, tell me, it's broken. All right. Never mind. Yeah, that's just straight up broken. And my guess is because it has... No, it doesn't have blog. No? I don't really know why it's the case that it's breaking like this. It's really weird. Oh, because of this. Right. Okay, and then it's on leave. Sure. Okay, let's try that. So that's normal. That's normal. Yeah, that fixes, but there's no fade. There's no page transition. It's just instant. And again, I'm gonna guess it's because I was dumb and I combined the page transition with the scroll. No. Where? Why is the... It must be with this, because, pretty sure it's fading out before. Wasn't fading out before. Interesting. Okay. Why is this then separate? Where is it separate? I mean, my guess is that it's per page, but it really shouldn't be. Right. Not with the state. It just brings it back to the top. I'm really confused because it'll work here. Is it just because it's oh, that worked. If I add it to the nav. So where would I want it in my nav? Probably below my work. My blog. /blog. That is stuffed. Okay, I'm definitely gonna want to shrink the size of these. Okay, so no, it is just straight up broken there. It just won't transition at all. Okay. I want to shrink the size of these down. Again, the only the thing I can think of is that it's the class that's doing it. So like if I comment this out, but it's not the class. It's something with the pages. It's like page active leave isn't getting applied to it. Does it need to? It's because I feel like I remember. I feel like the layout would have okay, whatever. I'll just look it up. Transition. Page transition. Where would this be? Layout transition. Maybe it was a per page thing. Oh. Maybe because it doesn't have a name. Faded in and out there. I saw that. Not even applying a class to the page. Something got updated. I saw it there. Got updated. Why can't I remember how this would work? It's nothing to do with the footer. It's nothing to do with smooth scroll. So it has to be because of the layout. That's the only thing I can think of. It's definitely because of the layout. Okay. Layout transition. Layout transition. And then let's copy this down. Change this. Oops. This and this. Oops. Oops. It's this. Blog. Okay, now this should. Okay, it didn't transition. Let's recompile. I feel like something's happening. Like, I feel like I see it happening. I see something updating. It's saying, oh, it's called layout. Okay, it's almost there. Now, is it because it's on the page? Would maybe be why? I do it here. Almost. Huh. Value provided in the name options configured with the name provided in the layout. What? It's configured to work with the name provided in the layout folder. let's try that. Default, maybe. It's almost there. It's so close. Layout, leave, enter. What if I like super slow it down? I do like 5 seconds. Not that one. Okay, nothing's going invisible. That did though. Okay. Nothing happened. It's popping in. And it's not fading out. Okay, again, could it be because of this? Okay, honestly, at this point, it's really not worth the effort. I will just get the route. I will delete blog layout, I think. And I will keep the same footer. So I will do delete this. Go in here. Move layout. I will. Yeah, that fade's fine. I will go into smooth scroll. Or no, I'll go into here. Document selector. Nuxt. Class list add. Blog. And then on blog, I'll actually just rename this to blog. Yeah. Okay, now the smooth scroll shouldn't be in. Fades, but I do actually want this to be fixed. So now, yeah, because now it's being set to that, and then I need to destroy it. Okay, why is this not? I really don't want it to be, I want the top bar to be fixed, but, I think it can. Okay, I have another idea. Okay, so, let's do, so in here, if the route is /blog set damping ratio to 0. Okay. Here. Let's remove this. Alright, now it's not scrolling at all. Ah, gotcha. Okay, why is this not scrolling at all? Is this not just working in general? If I set this to 1, what happens? Should just be regular scrolling, right? That's definitely not regular scrolling. What is happening? Oh, I changed the wrong number. All does nothing. Okay. Trying to find the regular. Not this, that's for sure. I don't want to hook into it. That's back to normal. Okay. I want to don't use score. Is it really just gonna be 0? That doesn't seem like it's gonna work at all. No, it just means it's literally not gonna scroll. And I can like super slow scroll it. But I don't want that. And then this is not it at all. I'm wondering if it, I mean, it's probably just easier to just make a whole new bar. What the hell? Yeah, because it doesn't work because stamping ratio is going to be. Okay. So. Great. I will leave it for now. I don't really like how it sets them. It's fine for now. Okay. So let's start with section blog. Okay. So to me, obviously, so I'll do this. So large blog post. Okay. Now the question is to query all of them now. Probably worth it to do it now and set it to the first one rather than okay, so here's what I'll do. So this will be top post. Top post. Okay. Oops. Then now in my next page here, so I want to take this, do sync data. So I want to pull up a Chrome thing. God, the lighting on my keyboard is totally messed up. Bismack. Okay. New portfolio. I want a new custom type. So for this, I need to run slice machine. Whatever. I'll close. No. Yeah, I know how this works. Able to retrieve refreshed authentication token. Okay, yeah. I got it. I do it in here then. In Chrome. Still unable to receive them. Huh? Because it's not logged in. Okay, shouldn't have any more errors. Great. Okay, custom type, repeatable. I want it to be called blog post. Okay, so let's do. So what's set for sure? Preview image, author, date doesn't matter. title and preview text. So let's get a UID post. Post ID. And then image. So preview image, or I guess primary image. Mandatory. Let's do rich text, post title, rich text, post preview text, and how would I give it tags? Post tags, maybe like that. So if I saved file system, and then I go ahead and push this change. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but all my Prismic stuff, so I don't really want to show it just in case. So if I make a new blog post, post ID would be video video games popular because they're fun. Primary image, I'll just set to any random image that I have. Okay, so the dropdown is not select option, is not what I want at all. Because I can't, yeah, nah, it's not right. I could show my slice machine stuff, I guess. This is fine. Or my, yeah, the slice machine stuff. So I want to allow choosing tags. Now I know I can tag the post in Prismic, but that's not gonna work. So I guess I'll probably just do that. Content relations and internal links. Maybe. Nope. Okay, while I'm at it, I should change this. So now the thing about this is I want the content. Actually, I know what I can do. I'll leave these as H1, H2. Folder. Blog post title. Review text will only be paragraph with italics. Blog post. Okay, so that is probably good. push changes, discard this, and then make slices. So I just want a single image slice. So blog single image. Fine. And all that's going to be in here is an image tag. Blog image. Okay, and then I want a slice for blog body content or blog text content. Okay, so it'll be a title. Can't be H1. These can be bold. I suppose I can link it. And I guess I'll encode in it. So post content title. Post content title. Post content paragraphs. Paragraph, bold italics. Let's add all these as well. Everything. Post content. I'll just call this body actually. Oh, and allow multiple paragraphs. Okay. That's that. Yeah. I don't think I need anything else really. Oh, and the author. That's what I need. Now I might actually be able to set the author in Prismic. So I'll start there and leave these. Sorry about that. Yeah. So I push these changes up. I'm gonna create a new blog post. Oh, it doesn't have the slices in here. I want to add single image. Saved file system. Changes, push changes. Okay. Then if I create a new blog post, there we go. Okay, now I can add it. Okay, so now you can see I can add in my content, post ID, blog post title. All this should be fine to show. So say our video games popular because they're fun. Set the primary image to my example image that I use. Deep blue ocean inside of cave, shot of ocean, blue ocean with island straight ahead and rocky cliff side the right. Enough. Okay, our video games popular because they're fun. Then take the preview text, normal text, let's italicize it. Okay, so that's all I really need for this top part. I think I can get the date and author through Prismic, and then I want to take the title document. Let's tag it as opinion and video games. Okay. Let's add the blog text content. Just take this. Let's add this. Add this. And let's add this. Have any numbered lists or anything? Nope. Okay. Let's add another image. Add a different photo this time. Let's add YouTube preview. Right facing laptop with Austin Kieran logo and centered with 4 projects. 4 projects surrounding the logo. Left is talkstand.ca. Top is or a triangle shaped web projects. Top is Dodds Family Smithy. Right is Flint e-commerce. And bottom is Nintendo redesign. Okay. Blog image. And last is blog text content. Right, state of things. Grab all this body content. Okay. So I save this. Publish this. I go back to code, save, say. I don't know why. Oh, this is, I don't need this. So this would be get. It's not this. It's not it. This would be it. Eh? Next thing, yeah, this is it. Oh, it's getting all the I see. Okay, so I want to Prismic Nuxt. This. Okay. So let's resolver is next. I don't like this song at all. This shouldn't matter. No, I don't think so. Oh, it does matter. Actually, not really. because these are for single types. It's metadata and rows. Rows level lets you define tasks containing metadata. Documents resolving. Could have page document. Use the CID field to define the URL. Resolves page document to URLs like about blog. I don't care about that. I want to fetch all documents of a type. Okay, so it's async data, person parameters, posts. Wait, person yeah. Query. Oops. This prismic predicates document type. Let's order it and let's leave it like that for now. If posts turn posts. Okay, so this is undefined. Prismic is undefined. How are you undefined? Let's do an index on this. Okay, I don't really see how you're undefined. Say I wanted to get everything. Oops. Get all blog posts. It's because of this, is my guess. Oh, what the? Yeah, okay. So now I just run like, oh, I wanted to something else I want to add. I want to add to this, not this blog post, a new field, Boolean, post featured, or post featured. Let's do as a featured post. Change this post featured. Is this a featured post? Okay. If I go here, blog post, set this to true. I think I want to reorder these. Arrow saving. That's nice. Save. There. Okay. So let's reorder this to be above. Right here. Is push changes. Back. When I should see it right here. Okay. Great. Good. Okay. So now I want to. I'll just comment this for now. Let's just do div b-4 post in post dash. Actually, let's do this. Console.log stuff posts here. Expect. Okay. Results. Data. Okay. So let's say I want to display, so I want to template it. I get my data. I want to loop through response time results. Okay. So div, but I don't care about class. For post index in post.results. Let's give it a key index. And let's just do, for now, let's do prismic image. Post data featured image. Okay, so if I go back, nothing happened. Good stuff. Eval prop field, expected object undefined. Post featured. Okay, that didn't work. Results. Post data primary image. Oh. Primary image. There it is. Okay. That's really weird. Why is that in the... I don't know, be in the nav. Oh, it's because it's a class image. Okay. Fix that. Fine. Yeah, okay, there we go. Okay. Fine. Okay, so I'm just glad that it loads. So there's that. So I want to... Now I want to get one thing. I want to get one get the post that has the boolean of what was it? It was post featured. Post featured. Set to true. That is not going to work at all. Real documents of type. I want it as a document type. I would want it. Query function and all query helpers can accept objects. E to the. Wait. Export documents with a path. Let's give singleton document? No. Query from a component? No. Const. Try this. Outpost. Okay, and then to div prismic prismic field, and then I'll comment this out. Okay, that did work. Okay. Any errors? Apart from the regular 2? Nope. Okay. That's fine. Actually, it doesn't. If outpost, if there's no featured post, set the this post is featured. Okay, that should be fine. And I'm gonna be dumb, and I'm gonna. I shouldn't actually nest this. No, I'll leave it as this. Okay. Okay. So yeah, now that that works, I want to get this, comment this back in to large blog post. or featured top blog post component. W. Top blog post component. And then do this. Egg. Do over here. We'll do props. Do a post. Do prismatic image. Save this, and there it is. Beautiful. Beautiful. No new errors. Okay. So, now I want to get the author. Prismatic. Let's get author. It's just gonna send me to. So I'm taking my shoes off. Templating. Viewpoints, simple content types. Slices, multiple documents, single document. Wonder if I can see it in here. Matter. Plugs. Well, doesn't matter. Tags. Data, maybe? No. Let's feature period text person. Slices. I think there should be a way to get the author. Groups. Groups field is a repeatable collection of fields. It's useful for a data point that might have multiple instances, such as document, category, or authors. Repeatable collection of fields. This is useful for a data point that might have multiple instances, such as document categories, or author. I'm really confused. So I would go here, and I would set to a group, author, post, author. Oh, and then I add in, I see. Okay. Well, I mean, it's just me posting. So in reality, I don't even need this. The name part. So maybe I just do the date on all these. Maybe then I can add the tags here. No. So that doesn't matter. Okay. So I don't care about this then. And the publication date shows up in here, the last publication date. So probably just format the last publication date and use that. So there's nothing special there. I don't know if I'm going for hour and 32 or for a little bit longer, I guess. Okay. So this is not particularly useful for me. So let's start with getting the rich text in. So, or let's actually link to posts. So let's start with the card. Let's format the card. Let's start here. Let's do this one by one. So the image is in, so I need the title, the date, and the tags. So what happens if I add in a timestamp, a date? Sorry, not timestamp. Yeah, okay, I don't care about time. So post date. So I add this in. Saved file system. Changes. Push changes. Fresh. Set the post date today. So now I go into, I check the, yeah. Check the console. Data. Post date. 23/05/25. Okay. I think I'll use that. I might on like it's a longer format, so it would be 2023/05/25. Now, obviously, regionally, this isn't great, because I'm getting it in Canadian format. But assuming that you know what? I'd actually assume that it does. It's formatted properly per country. This is fine. This is probably totally fine. Okay, so there's the timestamp, sorry, but date. So start here. Image, so I need the title. So let's do so I might need the serializer. Defines a markup for your rich text, for example, italics should have EM tags. Postmark view contains the default HTML serializer. Or standard markup, you can create your own. Text serializer. Do I have to add it in myself? Like, do I have to define it? Just HTML serializer. Okay. So the title. Now I don't want it. I'm actually not going to use the rich text for the title because it's going to vary based on the page. So, for example, the post page. So actually what I need to do is do this blog, then drag you in, do index, do UID. I guess it would be ID, but anyways. Whatever. So we'll see if this page broke. Not great. Back, don't need smooth scroll. Don't need nav open. Okay. I hate that I have to have smooth scroll. I'm sure I can find a way around it. So for these, so this is a tag. Let's see. So I think it's an article. It could be something else though. Or post blog posts, use comments. I think it's probably defined as an article. It's not an aside. And some content, what content is this place like sidebar, indirectly related to, yeah, okay, no. Yeah, I think it's just an article. It's fine. So, article for post index. I mean, actually, I really should just be doing this. So, okay, I keep getting ahead of myself. I want to do it in here first. So, Prismatic image, that's going to be a background image. So let's set this. What did I just do? Oh, Discord rich presence. Let's do div blog. Actually, let's do featured post. Escape. I want to wrap. You section featured post. Honestly, it should probably be an article. Okay. So that's the background. So then I want, so title and tags will go together. So featured post underscore, let's call it heading h2 top post data. This one's a bit different. Like it's a data. Post title 0 text. Post title 0 text. Okay. So now it should show up. Every game is popular because they're fun, fantastic. And then no preview text, but I want the tags. So div class featured post text. Then we'll do a span for them. And then v-4. So it won't be in data. It'll just be in tags. So tag in top post dot tags key. Let's do just index again. Index tag. Okay. So that should add the tags. Fantastic. And then let's do that. And then actually I'll add this in through CSS. It's fine. So I'll remove the last one. So now the tags are in. That's that. And let's get the date. Feature post setting. So not here. Let's do span class featured post date post data post date. Yep. 2023-05-25. Fantastic. Okay. Great. So that's that. So that's that content in. But now I need to wrap it. So Nuxt link to. So this is where I look at the work index. Key index 2, so it would be /blog/ top post dot UID. I click on this. Our video games popular because they're fun. Okay. So now that that works, fantastic. Let's do not top post. Let's do let's make this a card. So blog post card component. And let's do for post in oops. Post index key post or index post is equal to post. Okay. So component blog post card component view, set up this, save this. Okay, so now what I want a, what the hell? Bot reloader. Okay, I want another post. So I'm just gonna pull up a old blog that never got finished. And we're just gonna, I'm gonna take the content from when I wrote this. And if you're thinking maybe I took this from someone else, I guarantee you I didn't. You can see video game news in my repos. Someone else took over, but in this case, Sphere, which will win. So here's all my content. I wrote this out years ago. SEO was. I'm not going to do this because I'm just going to take the main title and yeah. anyways, so I, just to show that I wrote this. It was 2 years ago. So, anyways, create new blog posts. Sphere, which will win. And again, I'm just going to use a random photo. Image of phones or multiple iPhones displaying different pages from the Nuxt and Anime website. This is not a featured post. AR versus VR, which will win? AR versus VR, which will win? Review text. State. Let's say this is let's say I did this one on January 18th. Okay. And let's say I don't want the second body of text, or maybe I just want to make this one a really short one. Let's get one thing straight. Okay, then this. I'm so confused. Why is this showing up as a so I can type here? Whatever. Maybe it's just Chrome. Maybe it's my stupid keyboard messing up again. I go to my site. Doing it here too? Yeah, it's definitely my keyboard broke. Let's restart this eventually. I don't know what happened here. Yeah, it's like my keyboard. Okay, I'm gonna buy a new keyboard after this. Anyways, put this in, leave it like that. Tags are AR versus VR. Tags will be tech. I should actually have these as lowercase. Tech and analysis and prediction. Okay. So let's say those are that. I go back to blog and go into here. So pushing post through. So my props, it's just gonna be post. Okay, so what's coming through? So I need, how am I gonna format this? It's gonna be the image. So in this case, it's not gonna be a background image. So this time it's just this. It would be, I need to wrap these actually. Let me put in this. So div class of post. Actually, let's call this blog. Let's call this blog card. Screw it. Call it blog card main. We'll do article blog card. Okay, so here I want a span of the date. So in this case, I'm just gonna go here, take the top post data date, and instead change this to just post class blog code date h2. Again, just take the same thing. So this, rename this to post. This one is, oops, sorry. This one is going to have the preview text. So class blog art preview, or I guess I can just call this text. Class blog card title. Post.data.preview text 0.text, and then tags. So this will be its own thing, and again, I'm just gonna copy this here, this back, tag and post tags, save, post data is undefined. Okay. So what's happening? Post data is undefined. Okay, here's what I'll do. Take this, comment this out. Primary image can't be read. Okay. We'll do post. Let's try this and we'll see what happens. Okay. Lots of not great stuff. So there is a data. So post not data. Oops. Post that data. Didn't work. Interesting. I mean, it exists. I'm literally looking right at it. Okay. Results, right? Would it be post up in posts dot results? Okay, it's definitely post up results. Okay. Let's say remove top post from the post array. Okay. Okay. Good. And then comment all of this back in. This should now work. Never mind. Okay, why didn't you comment you out? See if this worked. So the start of this worked. Post data. Data. Post title. 0 text. Post data, post title. Oops. Let's try this one. Okay, that worked. So it's the preview text. Results, object, data, post preview text. Post preview text. There we go. Okay. And then let's Nuxt link this. So I want them to be individual links. So let's wrap you in a Nuxt link and you in a Nuxt link. Oops. Nuxt link. Then 2 slash blog or blog slash post UID. This one. Post UID. So if I click, they have a sphere which will win. Great. Video games popular because they're fun. Top post is read only. So weird. Top post is read only. I don't know what that means. Template render function not defined. Interesting. Okay, why did I set this to ID then? So should this just be... This just be ID? Top post is read only. Delta mount component, template or render function is not defined. Top post is read only. Read only error. Top post is read only. Huh. Next, read only. Next, Rhythmic error, read only. Uncaught in promise. X is read only. Interesting. Okay, well, what if I... What is this? I don't need this open right now. I do this. Refresh. I click into it. Back. Click into it. I go back. Error still is caused. Top post is undefined. Built mem component. Okay. Let's do this. Let's not do top post stuff here. Let's take this out here. Let's do async data in here. Get post labeled. What was it marked as? Featured post marked as featured. This isn't gonna work. Blog post. That's not gonna work either. Okay. Post with the boolean field. Post featured set to true. I mean, this isn't gonna work. Like at all. No. UID isn't defined. It's not set. There's no UID. Yeah, okay, I'll hey, there you go. Undefined params. Just don't know how to use predicates at. Text for documents where the path does not match given value. It's all documents and blog posts published in the year. Oh. So if I do, I take this, do this out, top post. I do get blog post with the boolean post set to true. Prismic predicates at okay. It's all commented out. Template check it out. Top post is undefined. Find reading of UID. It's not my blog post. What the hell? That's not it. Document dot post featured. Is that what it's called? Is it called wrong page. Post featured. Prismic API query. Prismic predicates at where the path matches the given value. Checks for documents where path and number fields is given less than value, greater than value. I don't think this is gonna work. No. Document predicates post featured again. I don't think this is gonna work. No. Damn it. Okay. We'll do this. Get the find those booleans are true. Great. do this. Top post. Because nothing's showing up. Top post. It's not defined in the instance. I mean, like, it should be working. I'll post set down to find. Okay, that's great. So let's do this. Take this. This in. Take posts out. Top post is not defined. It's defined literally right here. I don't know what you're talking about, how it's not defined. Is I know this isn't gonna work. Look, I'm already certain it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's defined right here. I don't understand. And then this is just gonna tell me it doesn't exist. Yeah. Even this is working. What am I doing wrong? Okay, let's just cut all this stuff out again. Leave this. Do this. Okay. Put this stuff back in. Can't find the UID. It's top post again, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's bugging out when... Not bugging out now. Oh, it's because it's removing it from the list. Right. Okay. const. We'll do all posts. All posts. Posts. We'll okay. Now AR/VR is not showing up. Even though it should be returning posts. That's one component template is a function not defined. I don't care about that. Okay. Oh, I see. Just like this. Yep. Then this. Okay. So I click it. I go back. Still here. Click it. Go back. Still here. Go to a different route. Come back to blog. Still here. Okay. Good. Bit of a mess, but that's alright. At least it works. And I'll do the CSS not tonight, but I just want to get the dev done. So everything's working here. There's a gap there. Click on all of this in it. Yep. Okay. So I think next is this. So let's template this. So let's actually do UID. Let's do view template. Div post. Okay. So let's create a database on the UID. So let's get route params. I don't care about this. No. Sweat params. Okay. So it is obviously going to know what it wants to do. Yep. Set ID. Okay. So let's do. So is that a back button? So we'll do article class post. Let's do a Nuxt link. Actually, I think it closes, right? And then back to blog. sure that works. Okay. Content didn't fade properly, but oh no, it did. Yep. And I'm obviously gonna have to set the smooth scroll, but I want to actually want to see what happens. And now, oh god, can I like define how much norm to add? Copy this down a bunch. It's already smooth scrolling, but I don't think it's gonna work if I refresh. No. Okay, it's fine. So mounted. This dot smooth scroll. Import. Let's take this. Makes sense. Smooth scroll. Okay, now I think I want to change the damping to be slower on these pages. So, but anyways. Let's actually do section, then do article, blog, content, class, blog, back, or post, back, post content. Okay, so. To start, we're certainly doing, or I'm certainly doing, the title first. So, which one was post data? Post title. Go. Text. Okay. Prismic image and a p tag. Preview text. Post data. Actually, this should be Prismic rich text now. Prismic rich text. Post. Preview text. Yep. So. Next is the slice stones. Okay. So I don't remember how to render, but I do have a page that did slice stone stuff. And I'm not going to add image parallaxing on any of these. So project content, slice stone components, slices. Now I remember having to go into these and edit them myself. Post slices. And obviously that's not going to work, so we'll do post data slice. Can I find component type for slice? Yeah. Okay, so this is from remembering what I had to do here. So it was slices Now, there was something I had to change. Cannot find a component for slice type. Did I need to make... No, I don't think I need to make... So let me read dual image slice. So, just as comparison to my new... say single image. Let's do text content because that's first. Size components. Log text component. This index list content. Style don't care about. Build slice primary. Title description. Primary post content title. Post content body. This might be all that I need to change. Is that... No. Okay. There's something with it. Just don't remember what it was. Prismic Nuxt could not find component slice. Have any other slices? Let's see your Next.js file. Log single image component. Dual image slice. Slice index slices context. Get slice component props. Prismic image, prismic rich text. We get a text content. Looks the same. Slice some component look like in pages. Set up a new slice on project. Import of the slice. That's not it at all. It's definitely not it. Oh, it is it. Kidding me? Okay. Components. Should and then. return components. There they are. All right. Definitely don't want that to be that big. Okay, let's go ahead and format these. So it would be this one. So post underscore title. Okay, now from what I remember, it adds in empty p tags. Yeah, so I really don't want that. So I want to go into here. Move these. Publish back. Move. Okay, if I refresh, shouldn't be any dead space. Okay. Post title class post body. Let's do. How did I do this for the text slice? I didn't really. I just okay. I didn't change much. So let's do that. Shrink down, get stuff, and then single image gets. Let's have a title. Prismic image. And it's called log image. Should really be post image. So I'm gonna change that. Which changes. Let's post image. Didn't update. Change the title of it as well. Post image. Which changes. Yep. Go here. Load. Post image. This. Save. Publish. Refresh. Should be a massive image. Yep. I don't know why I got sent back, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is getting some adding from something section. Yeah, so it's this. Okay, so I'm gonna call this post single image. I want to call this post body, and then I'll call you post text content. Okay. Okay, I will do a little bit of styling right now, just in here though, in these. So I think the font is set regardless. So, this is should be able to see. Font that it is. I guess not. I don't even know what the font that I used on my own site was. What font are you? Just says inherent. Ebo. Kind of want to change that. Do it eventually, but it should be Hebo. All of it should be Hebo, sorry. So this as well should be Hebo, yeah. Yep. Why do I feel like it's sans serif right now? Ah, okay. Anyways. So did I say, yeah, this is Prismic Rich Text. So I go ahead, bold this, save, publish, and refresh. Nothing. Does it add the, it does add strong though. So bold. That should update. Okay, or not. Post title. Okay, whatever. Post title. Oh, wait. Start there. Okay. Let's get in here. So pix to rem, or no rem. I just want you. 30. What? Oh, 16. 1.875. Font size 1.87. And then I also want post text content H2. Let's do something like that. And we'll do rem. Maybe too bold. 500. It's 30 pixels apparently. Doesn't feel 30 pixels. Oops. It was. Yeah, that's accurate. Okay, so this stuff I'm not gonna worry about, because I'm gonna set a width on this, but I just want to get this stuff spaced out and format it properly. So font weight is regular. So post text content font size and then I want. Let's see. Start there. So nothing should change. Good. So then I want space each thing out inside of it. So I do display flex column gap. Gap is 20 pixels. So that'll space everything out there. And then post text content P. Line height is 65%. That didn't do anything. It's because it's scoped. Yeah. My stupid keyboard is bugging out again. Like a 165 is way too much. Again, I'll crush all this down in the regular. Should actually just do it right now before I forget. I got a little bit less still. Something like that. There's no letter spacing. And then this needs the bottom of 7 pixels. Yep. Yeah, I don't really know how to nest in or not pseudo, but like child select in scoped. This is can't child select in scoped. Deep. That's right. Okay, let's try deep or deep. I don't think this works because it's view specific. But oh. I mean, I guess this is a view file. So say I get rid of this. Okay, then deep. Oh, alright, well that'll work. And then the problem is I need to do it for these two. Like that. Just in case. Okay. So I want to crush this all in. Make sure the images are set and then be good there. So 1025, 1280. So what's percentage calc? Uh, 1025 is what percentage on 1280? 80%. Okay. So I want the container post the 80%. Let's make a new. Let's pull up this. So post. So I want S. Make a new thing here. Log. Log. So dot post width 80%. Their auto. Okay. Shooting super far over, but that's just because of the images. So then I think 80% is too much. Where is it meeting? It's at 100. Is that the name? I want it at the name. That's like a guaranteed thing. So I guess I'll just leave it at 100%. So post content image. I didn't give this a class. Post main post image main. So all post images are going to be the same. So post image. This right now. Not going to do you at the moment. So post. Let's post. And width 100%. Okay. So they're still super tall. I do want to set a width or a height. So let's set a. Let's do height. Just start at 600 pixels. And we'll do background size cover. Okay, so this is obviously going to be, or not background size, object cover. This is not going to be what I want for this size. So I think actually, no, it's probably, you know what? Let's do 80% maybe. Maybe do 85. Or maybe I do 100 with a max width of 1600. 1500 maybe. 1550. I don't want it right at the end of the end. But then it looks kind of weird because lost space over here. Why do I feel like not being pushed properly? Yeah, we'll just do 1500. I mean, it's going to be pushed down anyways. So I'll do like 150 px as 0. Too much. I mean, I could simply just look at this. So what's like the size of this at 1920? 1260, but that doesn't seem right at all. This is 1260. Okay. The design is obviously different, but shrink this down even. I do like 1450. I can probably be comfortable with 1450. Okay, and then let's do we'll do height. So it's, what is it? It's min. This isn't going to be right at all because now it's going to be 500 pixels. I want it to be 600. So this is 187. So it'll go up to 500. It's currently 246. 416. When does it stop growing? Okay, well, I want it to be, the minimum is, I want it to be 600 at 1280. That's way too tall. it's not. So if I go in and I inspect that here, so this should be around 600. Okay. I mean, I'm just gonna set a manual like thing at some point, or a breakpoint. Really doesn't matter at the moment. Plus, this is all for mobile, or this is supposed to be for mobile, but whatever. At the moment, it's fine. Border radius 17. Okay. I want to do a little bit more CSS. So this gets crushed in even more to about 80% of that. So it's now need text content. So body width 80%. Let's try that. Too little. Let's try 90. Make 90 is good. How many lines is this on? This is 894 width here. This is 1300. It's 10. So maybe 85 is probably about right. Man, this is gonna be some small text. I don't really like 85. I like kind of like 90, and then I want to bump up the font size. Too much. I like it, but at the same time, it's just too... I don't know. I think I'll be like a big part of it is the images are just too big. Maybe I do go down to like 1300. Oh, too much. Let's shrink this down. Too much. That looks super squished. 750 maybe. Then I go down to 13. 1350. That's almost it. It's real close. That's probably good. Okay. Let's do the title size. So 76. 4.75. What am I doing? This doesn't have a tag. Or a class. I think this is also labeled as post title. Yeah, so we'll do post heading here. And even though it's scoped, I'll still change it because title, oops, font size, do that. Okay, and then the font weight. Bold, bold, height. 113%, and we'll do a width of 633 pixels. Nope. Definitely not. But the color gets primary black. Sure. We'll do something more like 6 with a width of 800, maybe. I'll just look at this. So this is super thin. .25 width of 65%. Don't like that. I actually want it to be bigger. I need to add the period at the end. No, I don't actually. Like maybe 2 lines. I can't click it. That's good. How's this gonna look? It's fine. I think this is 1 line, as 2 line. I do think it will look better as a 2-liner. If I did 65%. 5.25. Okay. Okay. Okay, that looks fine, but then if I go here, I mean, that looks bad. Okay, 1 line is okay for short titles, because I actually like this a lot, and I think I'm gonna bump this up even more. Okay, that's fine. And then I misaligned these, so it's like this. Class post preview text. Fine. Preview text. So this is 16, so font size. And color gets changed. That's the primary color, isn't it? Yeah. This goes down to, apparently I did put the, okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna look at 76 pixels. Width 633 pixels. It's just so small. I feel like 112 might be okay. That's way too big. Maybe it's 94. 86 width of 680. Like think that's better. And then obviously this is supposed to... I think this is in line with this. So this is supposed to be... same width. Means I go 80% on this part. So maybe I wrap this div post top and top width 80. Oops. Auto. Div. Oops. Oh, right. Okay. Let's take the image out of here then. I think the images can be a little bit larger. I feel like that's too big. A little bit too much height. Maybe this stays. And then what am I doing here? And height on this is 160. Just doesn't look right, like at all. Maybe like width 90%. It's better. Let's do font style italic. A little bit more space. Margin. This is 23 pixels. Margin top 23. Because the images have their own thing. So image gets is it 62? 54 here. 62. Okay, it's 62. So let's do margin 62 px 0. Feels like a bit too much. I'm pretty sure I'm playing copyrighted music at the moment, so there's that. I don't care if the copyright actually, but it really doesn't matter. But whatever. Okay. This is a little bit better, I think, now that I can like see properly what it's gonna look like at these sizes. I think I want to push the margin bottom of this. I think I might honestly just double it straight up. Yeah. Okay. So image spacing is great, but then becomes the issue of the body content. So if I do the same as the image, it's going to push down even further, which I don't want. So, I think then it's just I can't even do margin bottom because then it pushes the images down. Like it'll push this down more. So I think what I do, I don't know what I do. I think I target last. I want preview text last child. I want post last child. Should just be last child, yeah. And last child, margin bottom. Let's see this just to see if it works. So hopefully it pushes. Okay. How much is it actually space? But oh, I forgot the navigation stuff. I'm not gonna do that tonight. 82. Okay. Now this works fine with the images being spaced. But then the problem becomes, what if I... Well, it's not even a problem because if I just want more text content, I'll write it in the rich text. So this is fine, actually. Generally, I think this is okay. I think to start, I'm at a good spot. Well, not here. But I go into here. Yeah. There will be stuff that I change eventually. But it's a good point to be at right now. So I'm gonna push these changes up. Like everything that I've done. Did a lot of stuff. So let's check out a new branch. Blog. Git add. Git commit. Added. Blog structure. Added blog. Pages. Added navigation. Blog content. Dynamic blog fetching for Prismic. What else did I do? Added blog to nav. To nav. Added styles for added base styles for blog UID. And origin dev type blog. I'm not going to merge it because I plan on coming back to it. So check, make sure that it's up. Some pushes. I'm gonna stage the PR because it's in a good spot and I want to get a preview link from for sale. We'll wait for the build to update. Yeah. Will fail to build, please set node version to 18. Great. Gonna have to do that. So I'm using 16x at the yeah. But the problem is Nuxt 2 is super buggy on 18, so that's great. I gotta restart my computer still. It deployed. Okay, check it out. Should be in the top bar. It is. These are absolutely huge, but that's okay. Video game's popular because they're fun. Yeah, looks fine. Font looks different on Chrome. Does Firefox? The weight of it does, at least. Hope that it's taking in Ebo. Why is it valid property value? Oh. So if I turn this off, it should hopefully change Ebo. Something's changing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1 mask, 1 can. 1 mask, I think it's changing. Oh yeah, it's definitely changing. The length of the, or the the length of the W, yeah, it changed. Okay. It's a long one. I got a lot done. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, just, you know, subscribe if you want to catch me on the next one without having to check my Twitter of 6 followers or